Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable YouTube Shorts. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tech Team. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your YouTube. Now go to your profile. Now go to your settings. Press on General. Here you can see playback in feeds. Press on this. Now press on Always On. If you want to enable YouTube Shorts, then press on Always On. That's it. So this is how to enable YouTube Shorts. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.